Most beginners don't fail because trading is too difficult. They fail because they learn trading in the wrong order. And if you don't fix that now, you can spend years losing money without understanding why. Listen carefully. If you are constantly confused, jumping from strategy to strategy, watching hundreds of trading videos, taking random trades, and still feeling lost, this video is going to change the way you approach trading forever. Because by the end of this video, you will finally understand the full beginner roadmap professional traders wish they had when they started. You will learn what to study first, what to completely ignore, how to build the right foundation, how to avoid the beginner trader mistakes that destroy accounts, and how beginners should trade if they actually want a chance at consistency. So do not skip this video. This is not another generic trading for beginners lesson. This is the roadmap. And this part matters more than you think. Most beginners approach trading backwards. They start with entries, indicators, signals, leverage, fast profits. But professional traders start with structure. That is the difference. Most beginners want money first. Professionals want process first. And that single mistake destroys more trading accounts than almost anything else. Now listen carefully. Trading is not one skill. Trading is a stack of skills. And if you build that stack in the wrong order, everything becomes unstable. That is why beginners feel overwhelmed. Too much information, too many strategies, too many opinions, too many fake gurus. One person says use indicators, another says indicators are useless. One says scalp, another says swing trade. One says trade crypto, another says only trade Forex. And beginners become trapped in endless confusion. Now this is where everything changes. You do not need to learn everything. You need to learn the right things in the right order. That is the real beginner trading guide nobody explains properly. So let's build your roadmap step by step. Stage 1. Understanding what trading actually is. Most beginners never realize this. Trading is not gambling when done correctly. Trading is probability management. That means no trader wins every trade, even professionals. The goal is not perfection. The goal is controlled execution over many trades. This is where beginner expectations become dangerous. Most new traders enter the market believing trading should produce fast money immediately. That mindset creates emotional trading, and emotional trading destroys accounts. Listen carefully. A professional trader thinks differently. They understand losses are part of the business. So instead of trying to avoid losses completely, they focus on controlling losses. That mindset alone can save beginners years of pain. Now, before you even think about strategy, you must understand the 3 major markets beginners usually trade: stocks, crypto, Forex. Stock trading for beginners is often slower and more structured. Crypto trading for beginners is more volatile and emotional. Forex trading for beginners involves leverage and fast-moving macro reactions. But here is the important truth. The core principles are almost identical. Risk management, patience, structure, execution, psychology. The market changes. Human behavior does not. That is why trading basics matter so much. And this is the stage where most accounts die, because beginners skip the foundation completely. Now let's move to stage 2, learning market structure. This part matters more than you think. Before indicators, before strategies, before entries, you must learn how price moves. Uptrend, downtrend, range, higher highs, higher lows, lower highs, lower lows, support and resistance, supply and demand. These are the foundations of all trading. Without this, charts will always look random to you, and random charts create random decisions. Most beginners lose because they enter trades without understanding context. They buy directly into resistance, sell directly into support, chase candles after large moves. enter emotional breakouts late. That is not strategy. That is reaction, and reaction trading is expensive. Now listen carefully. You do not need 50 indicators. You need clarity. One clean chart with strong market structure understanding is more powerful than 10 confusing indicators. Most beginners never realize this after losing money. Now, stage 3. Learning risk management before strategy. Yes, before strategy. And this is where professional trading begins separating from gambling. Because even a mediocre strategy with proper risk management can survive. But a good strategy with terrible risk management will eventually collapse. Do not skip this step. This is one of the biggest beginner trader mistakes in existence. Most beginners focus on how much can I make. Professionals focus on how much can I lose safely. That mindset shift changes everything. Now listen carefully. Never risk large amounts as a beginner. Your first goal is survival, not wealth. Survival. Because if you cannot survive long enough to learn, you never improve. Most beginners blow accounts because they trade too large too early. Big position sizes, over-leveraging, revenge trading, trying to recover losses quickly. That behavior destroys emotional stability, and emotional instability destroys decision-making. A beginner should risk small enough that one loss does not emotionally damage them. This is critical, because trading psychology starts with position sizing, not motivation. If your risk is too large, your emotions become uncontrollable. Now this is where beginners finally start building real structure. Stage 4. Choosing one strategy, not 10. 1. Most beginners sabotage themselves by constantly switching systems. 1 week breakout trading, next week scalping, then smart money concepts, then indicators, then copy trading, then AI bots. No consistency, no mastery. Listen carefully. A strategy only works when repeated consistently over time. That means you must give one system enough repetitions before judging it. This is where most beginner trading journeys collapse: impatience. Beginners want immediate certainty, but trading rewards pattern recognition developed through repetition. Now here is a smart beginner roadmap. Choose one simple setup. 1. Maybe pullbacks in trends, maybe breakouts with volume, maybe support and resistance reversals. Simple is enough. You do not need complexity to become profitable. You need repeatability. This part matters more than you think. Complicated strategies often create emotional hesitation. Simple strategies create faster execution and better learning. Now, stage 5. Building a trading plan. Most beginners never do this, and that is exactly why they stay inconsistent. A trading plan removes randomness. Before every trade, you should know why you entered, where you exit, how much you risked, and what invalidates the trade. Without a plan, every market movement controls your emotions. With a plan, you control your reactions. Now listen carefully. A trading plan is not there to predict the market. It exists to protect your decision-making. That is the difference. And this is where most struggling traders finally begin transforming into structured traders. Now, stage 6. Journaling. Most beginners hate this step. Professionals depend on it, because trading improvement comes from feedback. If you never review your trades, you repeat mistakes unconsciously. This is where most beginners stay trapped for years. Same emotional mistakes, same impulsive entries, same revenge trading, same lack of discipline, and they never understand why progress stalls. A trading journal exposes patterns. Maybe you lose when trading emotionally. Maybe you lose when chasing breakouts. Maybe your losses happen during specific market conditions. Without data, you are guessing. And trading without feedback is like driving blindfolded. Now, this is where everything becomes psychological. Stage 7. Mastering emotional control. Listen carefully. Trading is not difficult because charts are hard. Trading is difficult because emotions interfere with execution. Fear, greed, impatience, FOMO, revenge trading. These destroy beginners far more than technical analysis ever will. Most beginners know basic chart patterns, but they still lose. Why? Because knowledge without emotional discipline is useless. This is why how beginners should trade matters psychologically. Beginners should trade slower, smaller, more selective, less emotional. Most beginners trade too often because they think more trades equal more money. Wrong. More low-quality trades usually equal more losses. Professional traders are patient, very patient. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Most beginners never realize this until after destroying accounts through overtrading. Now listen carefully. You do not need to trade every day to become profitable. You need to protect your mental clarity. That is the real edge. Now stage 8. Simulation before real aggression. This part matters more than you think. Many beginners fund live accounts too early, and once real money becomes involved, emotions explode. Fear increases, discipline collapses, impulses take over. A smart beginner roadmap uses demo trading correctly, not forever, but long enough to develop execution consistency. Then transition carefully into small live risk, very small. The goal is not making money immediately. The goal is proving process consistency. That is how professionals think. And now we reach the final stage, long-term trader identity. Most beginners approach trading like a lottery ticket. Professionals approach trading like a skill business. That mindset changes behavior completely. A gambler asks, "How fast can I make money?" A professional asks, "How do I become consistently skilled over time?" That difference determines survival. Listen carefully. The market rewards disciplined behavior, not excitement, not ego, not prediction. The reason most beginners fail at trading for beginners' education online is because they search for shortcuts instead of structure. But shortcuts create emotional instability. Structure creates progress. Now, think about this honestly. If you followed this roadmap from day one, learning market structure first, risk management before strategy, one setup instead of 10, journaling consistently, trading smaller, controlling emotions, and focusing on process, how different would your trading results look today? Probably very different, because beginners do not fail because trading is impossible. Beginners fail because they learn trading in the wrong order. That is the central truth. And now you finally have the roadmap. So here's what I want you to do next. Stop trying to master everything immediately. Focus on foundations. Slow down. Simplify your learning. Build skill before aggression. Protect your capital while building experience. And approach trading like a professional skill, not a fast money fantasy. Because that's how real traders survive long enough to become profitable. And if this video gave you clarity, subscribe to Online Trading Hub. This channel exists for beginner and struggling traders who are tired of confusion, emotional trading, and random losses, and want the structure, psychology, and technical foundation most traders never receive. Because once you learn the right roadmap, everything changes.